Elfyn Evans' high-speed pursuit of a podium finish in Germany came to a sudden halt on the last stage of Saturday's morning loop. He careered into a stage-side field and off the leaderboard, where yesterday he'd reached fourth place. Evans' teammate at M Sport, Teemu Suninen, is tackling Germany for the very first time in a top-line WRC car. But he outfought himself at this corner of the first stage of the morning, but pushed on to end the loop in ninth place. Dani Sordo's made the best of the road condition and his starting place. He won stage 9 to move into fourth place. Great news for Hyundai and their bid for the Manufacturers' Championship. But by stage 10, Sordo was complaining of having no grip under the front of his car. Bad morning for the championship leader Thierry Neuville. On the edge, but with no chance to resist the charge of Toyota's Jari-Matti Latvala, who took third place off him. Seb Ogier is also finding it hard to match the pace of the Toyotas. He described each stage drive as perfect, but one Toyota in particular is bothering him, so Ogier still holds second place. Out in front, that Toyota. Ott Tänak is without a stage win on Saturday. He won 5 yesterday, but his lead at the lunchtime service was still over 14 seconds. Behind the leading 3, Neuville then down to fourth, and his teammate. The biggest shock of the weekend, the demise of Seb Ogier. Taking the normal line through this corner, he clipped a rock and punctured a tyre. The defending champion stranded on the very stage where he has had so much success in the past, the Baumholder military area. He would fall to ninth place. Craig Breen would also be unable to get his Citroën out of the afternoon stages without harm. Braking late and sliding on dust, his C3 careered one end over the other, but he limped on to the end of the day, the rear left wheel flailing behind him. In third place, Jari-Matti Latvala. He'd pushed hard in the assault on the tank testing roads and kept his head. The first part of a great day for Toyota. In front of him, Dani Sordo, but with less than a second's advantage over the Finn. He rattled off 2 stage wins for Hyundai as they appeared to win the fight in the Manufacturers' Championship. But with Seb Ogier out of second place, any heat being applied to the rally leader Ott Tänak cooled right off. It's looking good again for the Estonian with a lead of over 40 seconds. Behind the leading 3, championship leader Thierry Neuville and a third Toyota, Esa-Pekka Lappi.